In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a playlist on Vimeo, a great way to organize and showcase your videos in just 5 minutes. Vimeo is a platform known for its high quality video hosting, and with a feature called Showcases, you can effortlessly curate your own collection of videos. This is incredibly useful whether you're an artist, educator, or simply someone who loves to organize content. So let's begin our journey to mastering this feature. First, make sure you're logged into your Vimeo account. It's important to start off here because without signing in, you won't have access to the necessary tools for creating a playlist. Open up your browser, head to Vimeo and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll notice your profile photo in the upper right corner of the screen. Now go ahead and click on your profile photo. A drop down menu will appear. From this, select Watch and then navigate to Collections. This section is essentially the hub where you can manage your collections, including showcases. It's user-friendly and designed to streamline your playlist creation process. Next, you'll see an option to create a new showcase. Click on New Showcase to begin. When prompted, fill in the title and description fields. Be as creative or straightforward as you like. It's your collection after all. Give it a meaningful title that reflects the content or theme you want your viewers to experience. The description is your chance to entice viewers with what the showcase has to offer, so make it engaging. Now it's time to add videos to your showcase. You can choose from two options, selecting videos from your existing library or uploading fresh content. If you decide to upload new videos, simply follow the prompts to upload them to your account. If you have videos already in your library, select the ones you want to include. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to gather your videos in one place with ease. With your videos selected, it's crucial to organize them in the order you prefer. Vimeo gives you the flexibility to drag and drop, making this task a breeze. While arranging, think about the flow and narrative you want to achieve for your audience. Additionally, take this opportunity to adjust the privacy settings if needed, ensuring your videos are seen by the right audience. Options range from public to private, or even password protected access. Finally, it's time to share your newly created showcase. Vimeo provides a link that you can share with others, and even offers options to embed this showcase on your website or blog. This feature is perfect for reaching a broader audience or integrating your work into a digital portfolio. And there you have it, you've successfully created a playlist on Vimeo in just a few simple steps. Remember, organizing your content into playlists not only enhances viewer experience but can also increase engagement with your work. Thanks for watching and happy showcasing.